Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you a project I created using my supplies from my design team kit from KS4U. There will be a link to their two stores in the description box at the end of the video if you would like to pop over there and check out their great stores. To create the base of the album, so the blank album, I followed a tutorial from Ros Kelly, and I will also put a link to that in the description box below. This album is for sale, and if you're interested I will put my email address in the description box below and you can email me for more information. The papers used for this book came from this paper pad, a Prima paper pad called Something Blue. It's got 16 pattern papers and 3 sheets of each design. You can see I've probably got at least half of it left, so that's where all of the papers came from for this. Okay, so let's start with the cover. So the basic paper came from here. These two flowers were in a design team kit from last year, I think. And this black trim here, it comes like this, and I've just trimmed it down so that it's only one flower wide. The beautiful cotton lace was also in my design team kit, and it's just beautiful. Cotton, excellent. What else have we got here? This paper here, to get the edge on that I've used this die here. It's a punch, it's a Martha Stewart punch, and they don't have names on them, so I can't tell you what the name of that is. What else have we got on there? These leaves actually came from my stash. They're called skeleton leaves or something like that, and they're a goldy sort of colour. And this little bit of ribbon also came from my stash. And this little flower was in another design team kit from KS4U. Now on the side, or throughout the album, I've also used some of this gold mirror card. So for the spine of the album, I've put some mirror card on here with some pattern paper. I've used a brad, one of these brads here, Paper Chic. Pearl stickers, so they're just a sticker, they're not a brad actually. I have added this, what used to be an old brooch that I got from the second-hand shop, I think, and this little tassel that I haven't taken the plastic off of, but it's a cute little tassel. They come from KS4U, and they come like this, and there's 2 in a packet. So, and at the back is just plain pattern paper, nothing decorative on there. I've used a brad to put that through. Now for our inside, so to start with, there is a pocket here, and this tag was just made with a piece of white cardstock and some pattern paper, and this is one of the cutter parts, so that goes in there like so. This flower and some of the other flowers in here were created using this paper pad. Now this paper pad is at least 10 years old, and it is full of flowers and leaves that you can make. You punch them out and then you assemble them. So that's where some of these flowers came from. I'll point them out as I go along. So that one came from there. Once again, you can see I've used some mirror card here, and to make my pocket I've used the punch on the edges as well. Then this lifts up, and we've got another pocket here, and that's just on there as a bit of decoration. You can write on here or whatever you want to do, and we've got a photo mat here that's blank on the other side, so you can put your photos on the front and do your journaling on the back. There's room here for more photos, and then that folds down like so. Our second page here is a simple pocket, and in there I've just put some tags and some cutter parts from the book. Each page has a pocket in the side, and in there is just a photo mat, and you can put your photos in there. There's plenty of room in those pockets. This page here flips up. Here, this is another flower from that pad I just showed you. These are from the cutter parts, and they just tuck in behind that flower. This lifts up, and I've made this envelope from one of the sheets of pattern paper from the pad, and you can just put in there whatever you like, photos or whatever. This paper here was actually the cover of the paper pad, and it was so pretty that I thought I'd use it on the inside, use it as decoration. Here's a little pocket with a bit of ribbon wrapped around it. That ribbon is a multicoloured silk ribbon, so that the greens, like the shades of green, vary as the ribbon goes through. Here we have a waterfall with another flower that came from that paper pad. This is just a piece of green fine, where you can see through dark green ribbon. This is a waterfall that just flips up, and here you've got plenty of room for a bigger photo. I haven't put paper on here because you don't want it too thick once you have got your photos in there. This is a belly band, and behind there is a little photo booklet, or you can write in there or do whatever you like. It doesn't have to be just photos. That goes there, and once again we've got our photo mat behind there. This page here, to decorate this, I've just put a band across here of pattern paper, and this tag I had in my stash, and I thought, well, it goes okay with these colours. This is just a little pocket that I made using a transparency. I've just cut 2 pieces the same size and then used my sewing machine to sew around the edges using a zigzag stitch. So you can put anything you like in there. You can put your photo in there, you can put memorabilia, whatever you like. And on this side I made a little envelope out of vellum, and that just opens up for anything you want to put in there, and because it's vellum you'll be able to see it as well. Once again, I just used the same idea here. When these open out, they close via a magnet. They just open out into plain open photo areas here. This is where the brad came through for our spine decoration, so I've covered that with a piece of pattern paper. I've actually put pattern paper in all of the spines, so they're all decorated. This little flower on here, I just punched out some papers and laid them on top of each other with a bit of foam tape, and I scrunched up the papers before I did that. Once again, we've got a mat here. This page, this is a belly band with some more of this bling, and in here we have a little booklet that can be used for whatever you would like it to be used for. And in here is just a pocket with a few bits and pieces. You can add more photos or, whatever you like really in there. This page here, there's a pocket here, and I've put a little pattern paper booklet there. This lifts up, plenty of room there for photos, and this one comes down. So we've got photo space here as well. And here is just a little pocket, and I made this little booklet that opens up top ways, and you can tuck anything in there that you like. Bit of note paper there, and this closes with magnets. Once again, we've got our tab in there. Here we have a double pocket, so this once again is the front of the paper pad, that one that looks like it's a patchwork thing. I've just slipped a couple of the cutter parts in there. There is also a bigger pocket behind here, and I've put a booklet in there. And the back cover has got a lift up photo space there, a tag and a cutter part here that is blank on the back, another pocket made with the punched edges and the gold trim and the pattern paper. So that's my album for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description box below, and if you're not already a subscriber, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks for being here, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Thank you.